Yo, grilling nerds, I am James, ready to swap the ordinary burger grill and turn your backyard into a food paradise. This is not your grandma's patio upgrade. We are using strong tools, making precise cuts, and having enough grill power to turn any dish into a masterpiece. Put on your safety goggles and prepare to bring out your inner kitchen expert with a do it yourself outdoor kitchen makeover that will impress the neighbors. Get ready for an exciting and messy adventure. First up, we have the cordless drill. This versatile tool is essential for securing cabinets and fixtures. Just imagine, with a cordless drill in your hand, you can easily mount those sleek kitchen cabinets onto the wall. Next, let's talk about the circular saw, perfect for cutting through wood and other materials. Need to resize that countertop, the circular saw is your best friend. And who would forget the power sander? It's a great for smoothing out rough surfaces. Those wooden countertops will be smooth as silk in no time. The jigsaw is ideal for making detailed cuts. Need to be make a hole for the sink in your countertop. The jigsaw makes it a piece of cake. Now, let's not forget about the power screwdriver. It's great for tricky spots and makes putting together furniture really easy. With this tool, you can easily put together that perfect outdoor dining set. Now, we have the angle grinder. This power tool is great for cutting, grinding, and polishing. Need to cut through metal fixtures or polish your newly installed grill. The angle grinder has got you covered. Moving on, we have the power planner. This tool is excellent for trimming doors and leveling out uneven wooden surfaces. Imagine using this to perfect your outdoor kitchen's wooden surfaces, giving them a smooth and polished look. Lastly, we have the paint sprayer. This tool is perfect for giving your outdoor kitchen a fresh and vibrant look. With a paint sprayer, you can easily apply a new coat of paint to your kitchen walls or furniture, making them look brand new. And that's it for today's video. Remember, with the right tools, you can make your DIY dreams come true. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more DIY adventures, and leave a comment below showing off your own kitchen renovation masterpieces.